The ATI program, the Aeronautical Technical Institute, is a brand new program through Hudson Valley to create airframe and power plant mechanics. It is going to be an approximately year program based on competency and skills as opposed to hours. And what we are trying to do is to create the most prepared mechanics that we can. So by the time they go into the field, not only are they confident in their knowledge and skills, but they also can excel past most other students that come out of other comparable schools. So the program is going to start off this September with the fall classes. And what we envision is to be able to not only build the skills in-house, but we are looking to eventually get to the point where we can also test as a DME in-house. So we can basically do everything all at once in one place here at the school. Beyond that, we'd like to expand into drones. We'd like to expand into several other different fields, so that way we can offer a larger array of student interests as well as desires, because aviation's constantly growing. We want to be able to reach as many people as we can in the Capital District.